Hey guys, this is the O2 RM85 build. Um, kind of trying to get an idea on how far gone this motor is. I mean, it's pretty gone. Scale of 1 to 10. It's probably like 10 or 11. You know, it's pretty beat up. One of this was left outside, and no spark plug, no engine oil cap on, so everything in here was basically like milk and seized up. Had a hard time getting everything out. I do have the basket, the Kickstarter, the poles, and the governor and the stuff from here, primary drive. So that's to be found yet. The guy said he has it. I believe him. On this side, let's see. It's in very rough condition. Everything is corroded, but everything is here. You know, something is loose. Great. We'll just get us on the stand. Yeah, so back on the stand. It's a nice little cheap stand I got. Keep on going. That should clean up. Main problem here is this is stripped out. You can probably see the threads are pretty gone. And they use oversized bolts, and well, you know how that goes. So this is the engine we're working with. Everything is seized. Most likely the transmission would have been submerged in water. I'll open it and see what's the best I can do. Wish me luck.